Thank you very much for downloading my app, this Health Checks, and I'm the developer. My name is Clement Lee. To start the checking, you just swipe to a different screen, different items that for checking. The first one is temperature. The temperature, just here, you've got a slider, just to slide the temperature that you have. And it to be too low and it's going up. Oh, you may have a fever. It's very connect, and you can change to Fahrenheit. You change the Fahrenheit, and if you have this one as the default, but you can put in, for example, here you get a fever, and here you get too low, and you set the correct temperature that you have. If you're 98 something, okay, not normal. Then for the next check, it's on the pulse. You use your thumb or any finger and that to touch and to count for 20 pulses. And then you just click on. After 20 pulses, then you count for you, calculate for you the number of pulses, whether correct or not. If you have a regular exercise, you can click here, then you can allow for a lower pulse rate. For example, now I press here and I start counting. Okay, then I press here to stop. Then again, I'm too slow because I'm doing regular exercise. Then if I click it, I will be okay. And then for breathing, if you are practicing yoga or Tai Chi or stand, you can click this box and you allow for a lower breath rate. But for normal, you just count 5 normal inhales or exhales up to you. Now I start to count. Okay, I got a 15 per minute, I'm okay. If you know more about the breathing, you can click on this and buy the book from on Amazon. And the last one is the blood pressure. Now the second last one is blood pressure. You count, you just add in the slide the correct value, and it will determine whether the systolic and the diastolic are correct or not. Okay, if it's a bit too high, then we tell you that a hypertension stage 2, or if you really have a high pressure, you get critical. The last one, oxygen saturation that you need to buy a device like it. If you don't have, you have to buy from Amazon or any other places. And then you add in the value, that's okay. Of course, the device itself will do the rating for you, but this app will have a very handy, a very concise summary of all the vital health hacks, so-called 5 vital health signs that are to be very useful for monitoring your own health status, just like checking your own vehicle or your bicycle, whatever. Then it is a very good app. And thank you very much for downloading this, and I hope you enjoy using it. Thank you. Have a nice day.